OnePlus had their event a couple of hours ago, and oh boy, they did hit a home run. This is your Tech Panda, and here's a recap of every single detail about it. OnePlus is back with its T series smartphone that we have been waiting for a few weeks. OnePlus is definitely one of the best Android phone out there, but this time they have truly outdone themselves. Starting with design guys, OnePlus has adopted their new drop style notch, which is pretty much smaller and gives it a higher screen to body ratio of 86%. Inside the notch, they still have their RGB camera for face unlock. It is far more clean than the standard notches we usually see these days, guys. It is definitely better than the Pixel notch. Also, the chin of the phone is lot smaller than the last model for a more immersive experience. The fingerprint reader is under the screen, and I'm so happy to see that because eventually this technology will help us get rid of the notch trend. OnePlus is the first major brand to adopt this technology. Yeah, no Samsung, no iPhone, no Google. It is OnePlus 6T. You just have to touch the glass and the phone will unlock. OnePlus is calling this screen unlock. It is an optical sensor which can read 3D image of your finger in just 0.34 seconds, guys. The battery of phone has been increased massively from 3300 to 3700 milliamp hours, and this is awesome. Who doesn't love more battery? And it also has a fast charging, but the one thing which bugs me is that they still don't have wireless charging on their phones even with the glass back. The phone still has a dual camera setup. The technology has been massively improved with a new nightscape mode for better photography in low light. Other than that, it also supports the portrait mode, the mode as well as the infamous beauty mode. One thing which they really didn't want to talk about during the event was the fact that the headphone jack is gone, guys. Yeah, no more headphone jack. So pretty much only Samsung and LG has been left with the headphone jack, and I think in a couple of years they will also be getting rid of it. CPU is still same Snapdragon 845 along with 8 GB of RAM. OnePlus phones have always been very speedy and fast due to their faster animations and have always had a solid performance. The best thing about this phone is guys that it starts at $550 for 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB storage. That is really an Android killer. It has better value than the Pixel, the Samsungs, the LGs. This phone is killer guys, especially Google Pixel brand. You should be worried. You just launched a phone with $900 price tag and you have your competition at just $550. Man, that is really a Pixel killer. The phone comes in two finishes, a matte black finish and a mirror glass finish. Both are in black color. This is OnePlus 6 with better technology and same price. Overall great things. You guys have your own thoughts or you are planning to get one, let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more future tech. This is your Tech Panda and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.